Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these cutting boards from Bouaida. And these are really nice boards because there are two separate sizes for them. But what I really like are these handles. I like to have the cutting boards with handles because they're easier to grab and you can also hang them up. So it's a really nice little feature. And they have an inset on the inside of them. So if you have juices and stuff, they will all kind of collect down here. So it's got just a little bit of a slant in that cutting board for the juices and things to collect here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some ham and some strawberries and we'll show you how these things work. So I'll just show you this cutting board just up close. You can see that little indent right there that kind of goes all the way to the corner. And it does have these non-slip grips across the side with just a little bit of an indent here. So that way it is not directly on your counter. So if you did have some liquid, it's not just gonna get stuck on there. But let's go ahead and cut on here. So there's no marks at all on here from this strawberries. We've got some ham back here on the little guy that we can cut up. And I like the different sizes of this because you can then use it for different purposes and different items. All right, so just an up close look. I was just cutting on here and there are no marks on here from where I was cutting. But I wanted to show you how this would then gather the water on the one side over here. So if you did have something juicy like a watermelon, it's all just being contained inside your cutting board. So that is a nice feature to the cutting boards. I think they work great, nice and functional.